Are you trying to delete messages on Messenger from both sides? If you are, then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can exactly delete messages from both sides, or in Messenger it is called on sending messages. So with that said, let's get right into the video. Open up the chat section where you want to delete the message. Now in order to delete these messages, you just need to tap and hold on the message, whether it be any messages, text messages, photo messages, or emojis. So you can just tap and hold and you will get this menu on the bottom. Tap on the more option, and again you will have two options: forward, bump, and remove. Tap on the remove option, and if you tap on unsend, this message will be unsent, or also known as deleted from both sides. But however, if you tap on remove for you, it will be only removed from your side of Messenger and the other person would still be able to view it. So make sure you tap on the unsend option, and the message will be immediately unsent or deleted from both sides. But however, this notification will still remain, which says you unsent a message. You cannot remove this notification from both sides. You can only remove it from your side, but the other person will be able to see that you've unsent a message. And the other thing is, you cannot unsend or delete messages that the other person has sent. So even if you tap and hold on the message, tap on more, and tap on remove, you would not get an option of deleting messages from both sides if the other person has sent the message. So that was the easy process of deleting messages on Messenger from both sides. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you want more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell so you are notified for more interesting videos that we post. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.